how to delete Google Chrome history. So first of all, open Google Chrome app. Now click on top right corner 3 dots. After that, click on history. Here you will see history and also option delete browsing data. So you will simply click on delete browsing data. After that, you will see a lot of options like time range, browsing history, and other things. Simply you will select time range, like from which time you want to delete our browsing history. So for example, I want to delete recent 24 hours history. So I will simply click on last 24 hours. After that, I will click on delete data. Before that, you can read save passwords and other settings, like if you log in or sign up in any website, so you have saved any password in any website, you can delete that as well. But for now, I will simply delete data, so I will simply click on delete data. Now wait a little bit. And that's it. Your browsing history was deleted. Thanks for watching.